Terra Luna. Just opened, kind of open, preview still.
Preview. It's open.
It's open. Anyways, it's a new room, new hotel. It's very bright. And we just got done spending the day at Epic. We're testing out a new gimbal. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So anyways, this is the entryway. There's quite a bit of room to put luggage over there, which is kind of cool. Then we go into a closet. It's your usual, place to put luggage. You got a safe. You got your rack to put your coat, extra pillow blanket, which is kind of odd because we don't have a pull-out couch, but I guess somebody could sleep on it. We got an ironing board. And then we go to this bathroom right here. Pretty standard. One person sink. Go into the bathroom. Pretty standard shower, toilet. It's kind of cool. They got like a branded soap, which I feel like Universal is really good at branding their soap. Something we noticed, they like Cabana Bay and stuff like that. So here is like a tinted divider that divides the bathroom to the rest of the room. And it does have a curtain on the side of it. So you can, there it is, pull the curtain. And we've got, I think it's 2 queen size beds, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Artwork, background, planet of some sort. It is like multi-tiered headboard, lit up. It has some serious lights above it that you can switch on and off. You can switch off the lights that are on like the headboard. I didn't turn on this light. It's like a mushroom light. I'm looking at mushrooms all day here. It does have a pull-out drawer. Bible, remote, alarm clock. We got our TV. The AC does let us go down to 65. I don't know if they'll change that or not. Coffee maker. Got ourselves a mini fridge. Here we have some pull-out drawers. Put all your stuff. And Kara found this. It's like a pop-out USB 120 volt, USB-C, USB-A, some more USB-As. And then a very small table, very small couch seating area. They do give you a pillow, but kind of put our junk on it.
Comes from the pool.
Oh yes, the pool.
Looks massive.
All right, that's better. I turned out all the lights. We opted for the pool view because I think it was $2 more. So why the heck not? Anyways, massive pool. It's really an insane amount of seating area. They have a beach down there. They got lights like zigzag across them. Lots and lots and lots of seating area. Looks like a place to kind of eat food over there. They got umbrellas, but massive pool. So it's actually really cool to see. Zero entry over here on this side. Looks like a hot tub over there. And I don't think we can see the theme park. I think it's on the other side. Oh yeah, you could see down the, I don't know if you see on camera, but down towards Kara that way is just like the rest of the hotel. So we must be pretty close to the end. But yeah, lobby's nice. Standard Universal lobby, gift shop. We probably got a Starbucks down there, a place to eat.
They don't have a Starbucks.
No Starbucks.
So you don't have Starbucks, but they have a cafe that serves Starbucks coffee.
So they have a cafe that serves Starbucks coffee, but no Starbucks itself. So anyways, it's a brand new place. Seems really nice. I think that is like stunning. That is so cool to see in a hotel room. Yeah, it's kind of futuristic. The price is right. It is insanely close to Epic Universe.
Oh.
Like, you could probably walk there.
You cannot walk to Epic from here. You can from Stella Luna. Nope.
Oh.
Stella Nova you can, not from Terra Luna, technically.
Anyways, it's like a 3-minute bus ride. Like,
Yeah.
it's, you can see, the hotel from the park and the park from the hotel. So, hope everybody enjoyed this room review. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next one.